Okay, this is Mr. Houston, and I am going to be preparing you for your next project, which is button design. You're going to be creating your own little button, just like this. All right. So just so we could go through the process. Well, of course, you're going to use Printmaster, and you're going to use Big Round 3113. That's going to be the software that you use to create it. Now, when you create your project, then you're going to print out your artwork once you get my approval. Once you get the approval, you're going to have your artwork, and you're going to need to cut it out. So you'll need a pair of scissors to cut it out, just like I did here. I've already kind of preset this up so we can, do this in a timely manner. So it'll be your artwork. So you'll have that. Then you'll come over to me, and I'll give you a set of rings. Well, first of all, I'm gonna give you your pin set to put your badge together. So you'll get your film, your plastic film. You'll get a back plate, and you'll get your pin. Okay, so those will be the three things that I'm gonna give you, as well as you'll need your artwork cut out in a circle form. Then you're going to need the press. This is to put it together, the button together. This is the press that you're going to press it together. Here are your rings. Now this is what's important, is your rings. There are 5 rings that you're going to need to know about. There's the gray ring, there's the gold ring, there's the green ring, there is a red ring, and then the blue ring. Okay, the blue ring is your case, so that is your first ring. So your first ring is your blue ring. So you'd sit that down. Then you would get your plate, your back plate, which is just this one here, is just a plain black back plate. You'll sit that in there like so. Then you would take your film, that's the next thing, and put it over top of your artwork. Film over top of your artwork. And you'll set it inside of the blue ring with the film on top. The film ought to be on top. And you may have to kind of force it in there, and you'll get it all in there. So now you got it set. Next thing you would need is your next ring. So your blue ring was your first ring. Your next ring is your gold ring. That'll go over it, and you'll press it down, and there'll be a small click. So your first ring was your blue, then your gold, then you're going to turn your artwork over, and then you're going to use your third ring, which is your gray ring. That goes in. Then the next ring that you're going to need is your green ring. You'll put that on top. Now, to make this work, is you're going to actually compress your 2 parts together so that you can get a nice snug fit. All right, so then you'll just put your hand over top of it, press it down. You ought to hear it click, and it goes flat. Then you ought to see the front of your artwork pushed in. So now you got it real snug. Take the green and the gray ring out, just shake them out. Then you will put your red ring, which is the 5th ring that you're going to use. You're going to put your red ring over top of your artwork. Over top of your artwork. Get it close to you again. Press it all the way down, nice and snug. All right, now we're going to take the red ring off for just a moment. Sit it over to the side. You're going to need this in a second. All right, now your artwork is nice and pushed in. You got some overlap here in the back, and that overlap is what's going to make it easy for you to put your pen in. So you're going to pick it up by the pen, and you want the pen to sit the way you want to wear it on your garment. All right, then when you got it lined up, you'll line up the way you want your artwork to look, and then you'll drop your pen inside of the back. Okay? Now, once you got it in there, once it's inside of that, then you'll put your red back over the top, keeping this pen in there, not pushing it, just kind of got it held in. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to sit the green back on top of the thing, but I'm on top of the pen. But do not press it. Do not press it. Set it in your hand gently. Put it inside of the press. and then hold it down with all you got. Press it down. I mean, press it down. You won't break it. Press it down until it's pressed together. When you open it up, you'll take all of the pieces off. I didn't make it all the way, but once you take all the pieces off, then you will get the pen that you desired. Okay? So what I want you to do is to make sure that you go through all of these steps, learn all of these steps so that you can make your button design.